Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in, so start by opening Google Drive and locating the folder you'll use. Upload the file if it's not already there. Wait until the progress bar reaches 100%. Once done, click the single file or multi-select using Shift or Control to highlight all items. Make sure you see the check mark in the top right corner of each selected item. This is the first actionable step, selecting what you'll share so the link you create points to the. With items selected, right-click and choose Get Link. That opens sharing options. By default, it's restricted. Change it to anyone with the link when you need broad access. Then pick a role: viewer for read-only, commenter to allow notes, editor to permit edits. Use the drop-down to confirm. You can also add expiration or prevent editors from changing permissions. Once configured, press Copy Link so you have the URL ready to paste in email, chat, or a document. Now paste the copied link into your message and test it in an incognito window to verify the experience someone else will see. If they can't open it, return to sharing settings to confirm anyone with the link is selected and that the file is not inside a restricted parent folder. If problems persist, move the file to a different folder or reshare, because inherited permissions can block access. For security, set expiration or disable downloads when necessary.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.